And a mushroom.
A mushroom.
And pocket end. Does it squeeze?
It squeezes a lot.
Look at me! Oh my God! Be careful, it's going to puke. It's going to die. You need the power.
Oh, this is the best thing in the world. It's like a gun. Cool.
I want to see it. It's the anti-gun.
The guy started like this.
If you are a man, you are going to you on the beer.
On daylight phobia, no.
You should do that.
No.
You should do that. What a beer. Now we have to show them. We discovered a very funny thing. Very, very funny. Stay nice, stay nice. Oh, hey. No, we don't. With the beer.
It's good. No, this will stop the thing, won't it?
He's dying.
It's safe.
That's not as funny.
No, but the funny thing, we started like this, he was a plate like this.
I think we're like 10 of them.
And then he said, okay, we have to do this like Chinese please. So now it's Chinese please.
I can put that back on the shelf. No problem.
The beer!
Not the beer.
The beer!
Not the beer. Not the beer. Your mouth.
Look at this clean.
Your thumb.
What?